Kamil from Saudi.
I make to understand some impurities are forgiven due to its nature and its hardship to avoid them. So, what is the ruling for the earth traveler who enters the toilet in the airport after urinate and defecating? He opened the faucet and the water comes out very strongly, and this impurity splashed to his body and his clothes. Is considered impurity are forgiven?
Okay, I will answer inshallah. Amel from Saudi Arabia, he says, we have a saying that minute amount of impurities of najasa is forgiven. And this is the opinion of Imam Abu Hanifa, Sheikh Assim ibn Taymiyyah, and Ibn Uthaymeen. So when we go to the airport and we answer the call of nature, sometimes when we use the hand shower, it is set to maximum power. So without knowing, we just try to squeeze it and boom, we have this big splash of water. So would that fall under the category of negligible? The answer is, it can be, but it also need to be identified that there is an impurity. If all what you see is traces of water due to the outburst of the water from the hand shower, this is water. You have to be certain, you have to have proof, 100% certainty that this is a najasa. If you don't have, then the default is that it is not najis.